Hello, everyone. Welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
Ring road now, of flooding outside men in ring road. What is going on now? Food trailers. Yeah, you can see what is going on now. Right now, right away. Right now, right away. I don't know where they are coming from. I don't know where they are coming from. You can see them now. Right now, right away. They are dropping there in Benin City at ring road. I don't know where they are coming from. Where is the security agency? What are they doing now? They need to intervene in ring road. A food trailer is coming down and ring road down, or flooding outside men in ring road down. I don't know what is going on, where they are coming from now. It's discharging them and ring road now, right away. Look at the food trailer, full launch trailer. You see what is going on now. Our government to intervene on this issue now. They need to intervene on this issue now. You see them now. You see them now. Food trailer is discharging them in ring road here now, right away. There is a policeman and security officers that is charging them now. We need a security to do something about it now. You can see them now. Discharging them in full ring road. We don't know what they are doing now, right away. You see them now. You see what is going on now in ring road. Discharging them in ring road. And we know ring road. You see them now. Nobody is saying anything about it. Nobody is saying anything about it. You see now.
At Benin City, ring road. At Benin City, ring road. At Benin City, now are you begin to understand what I'm talking about? Welcome, great people. Welcome, freedom fighters, lovers of freedom, and great people all over the world. You are still welcome on IPOB Rapture Media under the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I still remain Mazo Kenna Okechukwu, known as the Biafran child Nwachineke, the general. Now you begin to understand what I'm talking about. Now are you begin to pay attention? I hope you understand. I hope you get the point. You know, every time you think I'm just coming to blab, every time you talk, you think that I just like to lament. You see, I want you people to understand that all these things that I keep on saying every single day, and you people are thinking that I just love to talk. Believe you me, by the time that these people will round you people up, there is no way to escape. You can never escape it. That is why I keep on talking to our people. That is why I keep on bringing reality to our people, so that it will enter into their skull, so that they will stand up and defend themselves. Now you begin to understand it. At Benin City, Ring Road, as I'm speaking to you, is happening right now. Within 15 minutes, I just get the information on my desk, and I have to talk about it so that people will understand what is happening around their area. Now you begin to understand that all these Islamists, Wahhabis, / jihadist terrorists is real. You begin to understand it. According to the reporter, they are dropping them at the Ring Road, Benin City. They are dropping them one after the other. What are you going to do? Now you begin to understand it. You see, you people think that this thing, there is some particular ethnic group they are doing this thing to. No. When they are talking about holy war is to take over your land, take over your property, take over everything that belongs to you. That is what they call conquest. I keep on telling our people this, but they don't seem to understand. They think that I just love to talk. Now it's happening at your doorstep now. Yeah, you begin to see it. Some of you that are yapping, some of you that are talking nonsense, some of you that don't even have inability to reason. Whenever we are trying to tell you what is happening around you, you don't want to see. Now they will begin to take you people one after the other. It's happening right now. Some of you that are living in Ring Road, some of you that are living in Benin City, not only in Benin City, the whole state, they have already round you up. Now you begin to understand the reason why I always call the Southerners. But some of you will think that I am an Igbo-speaking Biafra. That this thing they are doing only for Igbo people. Listen to me. They don't care who you are. As far as you don't believe in that religion called Islamism, Wahhabism, terrorism, Fùłanization, if you don't believe on it, your own is gone. And there is no how you can stop them. You can't stop this conquest. They have been preparing this thing for years. They have been preparing this holy war. They call it holy war conquest. They have been preparing this for years. But some of you, because of your idiocy, because of inability to reason, because of no thinking, because some of you are just, you can never absorb something and understand what it's all about. But I will keep on lamenting. Now you have come to your doorstep. What are you going to do about it? Get up and defend yourself. Go and hold your representatives. Go and hold them now. Hold them now before it's too late for you. Go and hold your traditional rulers. Those people that are putting you into this mess, go and hold them, because most of them have already collected money. They don't even know the mess they are putting themselves into. They don't even know what they want to, the kind of thing that is coming in a front that I keep on telling my people, but they say that the Biafran child don't want you talk. Biafran child don't want you are living in Europe, but you don't care. You know why I'm keep on lamenting? Because there's a place that I'm living, there is a security. And where you are staying right now, there's no security. And I'm trying to tell you so that you can be able to wake up from your slumber. Some of you will say that I'm just yapping. Of course you will call it yapping. When they will come for you, there is no how. You see the trailer, they are dropping them. The security is there. The police, they are there. The army, they are there. But you can't stop them. That is the reason why I keep on telling you people that Fùłani owns Nigeria. But some of you don't even understand. Nigeria is not a secular state. Nigeria is Islamic nation. I keep on lamenting this. You see, this holy war, this conquest that I keep on saying to you people, and some of you don't want to even understand, is authentic. You see me, I believe in reality. I don't believe, say somebody said, or what I don't see. That is why I always bring reality. So you can see it by yourself and begin to understand. Just close your eyes and meditate and understand all this I'm talking about. You understand what I'm talking about, my people? There is no way out. There is no how you can escape it apart from you getting up, standing on your ground, and back on this journey that we are, to free ourselves from slavery, to free ourselves from Fùłani hegemony. Except that you are not going to escape it. I'm telling you people, but I don't know how can I do for what people to begin to understand what is happening. Reporter is lamenting, is crying. In Ring Road, Benin City. This one now is happening in the city. They are dropping them one after the other. Can somebody tell me people that you loaded like animals in a full trailer, 40 feet of trailer, you load them in 40 feet. These people are not ghosts. You loaded them and dropping them inside the city. Can you tell me where, you see, that is what I'm trying to tell you. You see the ammunition, the sophisticated weapon and assorted rifles and all the rest of them they needed. It's already there in the bush for them. They are now transporting their foot soldiers. Now you begin to understand what I'm talking about. This is their foot soldiers. This is they are on mission of conquest. They are on mission of conquest to Islamize you, to keep you as a slave forever. And there's no way you can do it. There's no how you can stop it except you stand. Forget all this. You see, some of you are thinking that when a Southern man come as a president, this will be changed. You have forgotten the 99 Constitution. Now you people, that is why I don't know what is wrong with these people called black people. You people don't even think at all. You people don't even, when you see truth, you turn it upside down. When you see reality, you begin to say it's a something that, I don't know what you people call it. But I'm just bringing this for you people to see. And there's no how you can ever stop it. They have already there. What you have to do is for you to stand up and defend yourself and back on this journey that we are to free yourself from mental slavery, from physical slavery, from every Islamist Wahhabist terrorist. Because jihadist is there. You see, this conquest I'm saying always, and I will keep on saying this so that till our people will wake up. You must wake up from your slumber. You must, because I don't want this war to come on your doorstep before you begin to do something. Because the day that it will come, how are you going to defend yourself, my people? Now you begin to understand. I say remain the Biafran child watching neck. The general will keep on telling you reality. I don't believe in all this spiritual or, religious, all these stupid things that you people are thinking. We believe in reality. We bring you reality. Now you begin to see it. My great people, make sure you get to people from that Edo State, Benin City, in Ring Road. Make sure you get to them. This one is not this one. Nobody say they talk. This is reality. Good day and welcome.